of the concerns, or one of the pushbacks we often hear from venture, is that technology is not always a source for good. Sometimes technology can do some pretty scary things. How do you guys navigate that challenge? Because on one hand, sometimes you can make a lot of money doing some pretty gnarly, ugly things, and how do you, from an ethical perspective as an investor, how do you navigate the balance between making money for your LPs or for your fund, and on the other hand, making the world a better place as an investor? It's a jump ball for any of you.
You know, I think it's similar to how you live your life. I think you cannot change your principles if you are living your life or you're investing LP's money. So for the first 26 years, I was only investing my own money, or I shouldn't say my, plug and play money. So, and you know, we had a certain set of rules that what we would invest in and what we would not invest in. And frankly, that has not changed when we did raise a few funds. But I believe the technology, like anything else in life, applied correctly can solve a problem, create value. Just to share with the audience, I was lucky enough to host Google from when they were 3 people till last week. I was with some Google executives and they are now 120,000 people. So I would say Google has improved lives, and if you can make that positive impact and have a front seat in how they did it, I hope to find a Google in Saudi Arabia. If anybody knows one, please point them my way. But really is what you believe in, you have to execute no matter what. That's my motto.